Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you guys how to set up a template for your invoices. This is going to make it a lot faster and a lot smoother for you when it comes to invoicing time. So all I did was I logged into PayPal and I clicked on create an invoice. As you can see right up here, it says create invoice, right? And then right below it, it says my templates. Currently it's set to Sparkle Shack, the standard invoice. And I'll show you what I have on my standard invoice. So I have it set to automatically include my $4 shipping. And then down here, I have my notes to my recipient. Thank you so much for supporting our small business. Invoices are due within 24 hours. Make sure that you confirm your shipping address when checking out. This is the address your package will be mailed to. And then I have my terms and conditions. This is where you're going to put anything that applies to exchanges, returns, broken pieces, or whatever. And mine is posted in the group. You guys are welcome to just copy and paste that. And then the other thing that I have is I have it saved. I have all these little categories saved in here. And these are my little tester ones that I just created to make sure I knew what I was talking about. So normally when I'm sending an invoice, I just click on jewelry and then I tab over and I select the date. And then I enter the quantity. Let's say they've got 5 pieces. When I hit jewelry, then it automatically filled in the price. This is $5 jewelry. And then it automatically filled in my tax rate. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that so that this is all you have to do. And I'll make another one to show you guys how to bill multiple customers. But for now, I'm going to show you how to create a new template. So right here where it says My Templates, you're going to click that little drop-down arrow. You need to do this from a desktop. And then scroll down to where it says Create New Template. Click on that. And now you're set up to create a template. See how it changed up here in the corner? So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to create your line items. So I'm going to create a new one just like I did bananas and pickles. We're going to make cookies. Okay, we're going to make cookies a line item that we're going to have saved. So you're going to enter the description of the item. And this can be like you could do necklaces, bracelets, earrings, whatever if you wanted. I say just jewelry and I keep it super simple. So you're going to put cookies. And then, up here is where you're going to be able to edit if you want to change the quantity. Or if you want it set to hours or amount only, whatever. I choose to do quantity. That works good for me. I can add or remove detail, like tax, detailed description, stuff like that. So this is where you're going to customize all these fields that you see right here is by using these little drop-down menus. Okay. So I just put cookies. Now I'm going to enter the price of a cookie. So I'm going to click in there and I'm just going to say it's $1. So cookies are normally $1 and then I'm going to add my tax. If I need to create a new one, I'm going to click add new tax and then I'm going to enter the tax rate. So, and you're going to name it whatever your state tax is. Okay. So we're just going to call it cookie tax. Cookie tax is 10% and then hit save. Now this little button right here is going to pop up and you're going to click save item. Now it's been saved to your catalog. So when I come down here and I start to type cookies, it pops up and watch what happens. Watch these fields over here. I click on cookies and it automatically fills in the price and the tax for me. So, and then I'm just going to delete that one. Okay, so I just have one cookie and the 10% tax. Now I need to make sure that my shipping is saved in here. So I have a $4 shipping fee. So I just enter my amount. Here I'm going to select whether or not I'm charging tax on shipping. That's dependent on where you live and whether or not you're supposed to. And then I'm going to enter my note to my recipients and my terms and conditions. When I'm done entering all of those things and everything looks correct up here, you don't need to enter any addresses, any emails or anything right now. That's only for when you're actually sending the invoice. Up here, you can edit your business information so that it shows who it's shipping from and that kind of stuff. And you can add a little logo and all of this will be saved so that you can use it again. So once you're all done, you're just going to click Save Template and it's going to ask you to name your template. So we're just going to Cookie Tester. And if you want it to be your default template, the thing that it always automatically switches to, then you're going to click right here. Make this my default template. Okay. I don't want this to be my default, so I'm not going to click it. But after I've named it, then I'm just going to click Save. There you go. And now it's saved for me to use up here in my templates. It will always show cookie tester. If I need to send out a cookie tester invoice, I can. Otherwise, this one is going to still be my standard default invoice. Does that make sense? So I hope that this was helpful for you. If you have questions, drop them below in the comments. I'm happy to answer them.